Welcome to 260 Sleepy River Road, Simpsonville, South Carolina. This charming single-story, 3-bedroom, 2-bath home offers a perfect blend of comfort and convenience, just minutes from Simpsonville and a short drive to Greenville. With 1,650 square feet of thoughtfully designed living space, this home features an inviting open-concept layout and a split floor plan that ensures both privacy and a seamless flow throughout. The soaring cathedral ceilings add an airy sense of space, while newly installed hardwood floors in the main living areas enhance the home's warmth and elegance. The heart of the home is a bright and welcoming living area, which effortlessly connects to the dining room and kitchen. This open-concept design is perfect for everyday living and entertaining alike. The spacious primary suite provides a peaceful retreat, complete with an ensuite bathroom that evokes a spa-like atmosphere. The additional bedrooms are equally inviting, offering versatile space for family, guests, or a home office. The standout feature of this home is the sunroom, bathed in natural light and offering panoramic views of the picturesque backyard. It's the perfect spot for your morning coffee or to unwind after a long day. This home truly has it all: abundant storage, a delightful dollhouse-like appeal, and unbeatable convenience, with proximity to local soccer fields and easy access to both Simpsonville and Greenville. It's the perfect blend of style, functionality, and charm, just waiting for you to make it your own. Call Stephanie Wilson today.